lihlamba igama likaPhakela apha.
Lihlambelekile vese mfethu ngoba into eyenzekile bafethu namanje ngiyakutshela. Khona umuntu othi ekhuluma athi bengikhona. Kwenzeka nje. Kwenzeka mfethu asinawo abakhona afana ukudlulisa indaba bafethu leyo. uPhakela vele igama lakhe lihlambulukile. uManxiza is a man of integrity. I respect that man a lot because mina ngim-understand before azi ukuthi mina ngiyam-understand. Akayena umuntu wamanga uManxiza. Njengoba uManxiza umuntu ofakazi, njengoba engabukhiphi abukho, ngeke uManxiza anqabe nobufakazi kubantu abangaka ababukwayo, abasewindini nabapublic. Ngeke umuntu weqiniso and abantu ngifuna abahlale bamthembe ngeqiniso lakhe. Lento imphazamisile. Sekunzima kuphela ukuthi ami ukuthi hayi bafethu ngididekile la nami ngibitshele akafani nathi. Mina manje ngithi fusek oManxiza bayithuka inhlamba. Thina siyayithuka inhlamba thina ngamloza lutho.
Yakuva King but ke
oManxiza bayithuka inhlamba. oManxiza abantu aba-professional, ama-politicians, abafana noThabo nabafana nami. Mina as much as kuwumhlonishwa ka-spiritual world kodwa ngiyakwazi ukuthi fusek inja oManxiza bayikhiphi yona.
Ngiyakuva King but sigqibeleni ufuneke apha kuze neproof yoba nyani yenzekile lento kuzohlambeka igama likaPhakela uba nyani akayenzanga okanye iyenzile.
Hayi nonke nigxile kuPhakela.
No, yazi kunento ongayi-understand futhi ne. Let me just say this. Mhlawumbe lento izobonakala. uPhakela Umthakathi udlala iqhaza elikhulu ekugijimeni lomzabalazo. Umfana bandaba uze wariska wawushiya umndeni wakhe. Yabo? Wayohlala le wayiqashelwe enza yonke into. Ugijime kakhulu ube yishosho vesigijime kakhulu. Engancengi lutho. Wathatha isinqumo ngakubo, waxosha amani bofika ngakubo. Umkhankaso lo esawuqala noma ngoba esinayo uPhakela walekelela wayiqala lento wabeqhubeka kodwa vele kuyavela nangemvana ngisho uThatha amabeveza ukuthi bese kudala vele uPhakela Umthakathi ayiqala lento. But manje nansi into ekhona ukuthi uyishoshovi esibonakale uyabona nje abantu bekuthi umngizwe emcuni mayengena nabantu maqinga ngiyalithinta igama lakho balithinti kabi. Bethi mayengena mhlambe namadoda bethi bawukhipha abantu njengalapha eGoli. Lapha abafuse egisi foreign yakhumbula. Kodwa uPhakela Umthakathi ngendlela ama-foreign abemsaba ngakhona likho i-foreign libelikwazi ukujama limgolozele emehlweni. Uyabona? Lokho kwaletha isithombe ebantwini sokuthi this man is approved by heaven ukuthi ayirane lento. And then suddenly that man that is a hope of people sekuyazwakala ukuthi kunemali ephuma ephambi kwakhe. Abantu they are not concerned about ukuthi ifike kuyena noma ifike kubani. They are concerned ukuthi why ube yingxenye yaloko
Ingxenye exactly.
and then wena ulibalile igama lakhe. Walibala ngisho nelikangizwe. And elikangizwe alinakiwe ngoba vele ungizwe thina siyamazi ungizwe is distraction to everyone's education. We are not worried about uMacingwane. Macingwane ekuseni angavuke eseyogidela angavuke sesam-understand. uMacingwane ukashaya idrama enkulu kabi egijime amakhamera emlandela ekukhandwe leyo content. We are not about him. We are about a man that was just a hope of everyone now. Ukuthi at least uZulu wazwaba nomuntu oyilida. Kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi kuputshuke that leader iyohlala in the same dirty table ehleli abantu abadethi abakhalisa ikhanda. Let's not run away from this truth. Our president is dirty. This is just a pure truth that I don't think there is a man that is having scrotum to just say it loud and clear public. Our president is dirty. And uPhakela Umthakathi is a man that brought hope ngokuba brave. Wabona lo nokuthi ngisho emile abantu bayamsaba laba bangaphandle. Ngisho ehola kuyazwakala. Ngisho enzani kuyazwakala. Yini le eyamenza wahlala etafuleni as a smile ehleli naso isit because mina I think it was gonna be fair ukuthi upresident makuthi kwakufanele ngempela akhulume nophakela ophakela bemphoqa upresident ukuthi eze bandla ngoba use desperate bangalaleli umuntu ose desperate lapha upresident bese kufanele ukuthi bemvalele ekhoneni ukuze ezoguqula yonke hayi ukuthi be act njengabantu aba desperate besingeke isidingo sokuthi bayekiyena so the question elimaza abantu ukuthi what was it that was the and wena ngale nkathi besabona izithombe besadliwa ukuthi ekaze bamtshela ukuthini ekaze bamtshela wena wavele wafika nebhomu wathi there is 3 million ayike wavele wabangcwabo kokugcina vele besashayekile abantu ukuthi what was it that was discussed there bebe yonke imibuzo ibisekhona but ingaphenduleki ukuthi why ningabizanga intatheli president mawukuthi at least nizoba ne dialogue nibe ne discussion la khona uphakele kutshela khona izinto abantu abakhala ngazo now respond ukuthi uzohandlisha kanjani but konke kuvele kwaya private egcineni ningapost udoti madoda because the man is dirty and then abantu basenaloko ukuthi why these people just came with a secret meeting writing wavele wafika wazobangcwaba abantu wathi wena there is 3 million
ayisafatuke
u3 million ubenza abantu balose hope sengithi mina kuwena right njengamanje into eseyimile ukuthi abantu babuyelwe ihope bafisa ukwazi ukuthi ngempela lo 3 million unikuphayo umthakathi into engahluka into engaligeza ngempela igama likaPhayile Umthakathi njengamanje ukuthi kubonakala ukuthi lo 3 million ushoniphi
exactly that's what we want
if ushone ezandleni zakhe again we are not against that and we are not worried thina seyidlela mfethu mina ngiyihlalela kweyami estate laba abantu bayiphilela impilo yabo nami nginazo imali zami ngiyirelaxela but these people they just wanna know ukuthi ishone ezandleni zabantu ukuze angithi yabona leli implicate uPhayile Umthakathi and uPhayile Umthakathi even noma engathi kusasa kuyohlanganwa apha amadoda wayo sayizwa kahle lento ngoba afuna leqiniso lo 3 million uyezandleni zikaBaba wena you are the one who came with this public so batshela abantu ukuthi no 3 million uthathwe ngoba amakhosi kuvele kuthuleke kuthiwe okay Phayile Umthakathi asiqhubekeni isebenzeni at least uthathe ubani because into emile njengamanje yilokuthi uwele ezandleni zikaBaba lo 3 million
Okay, wehlatshwa uyazi ukube ngikade ngenza media briefing ngivezela ufakazi yonke into same time abanye bebezoba nombono wokuthi awukodwa ubungeke ubanike ithuba amancinza kube yibona abayizela ngaphambili ngoba media briefing ngithi kumele sihlangane nabo obechazela isizwe ukuthi lo 3 million beko1 isikhathi esithileke ngisibekileke nabo bayasazi ukuthi masidlula leso sikhathi kuyobe sekuphoqa ukuthi ngizeke emphakathini ukuthi hayi ngenze media briefing ngathi abeze ngaphambili bezochaza ukuthi lo 3 billion kwako1 sengiveza ke lo fakazi ke okhuluma ngabo.
Okay, sorry to interrupt. Mhlambe according to your informants, u3 million uhambe through a briefcase noma uhambe through account.
Uhambe ngesandla nje. Awuhambanga
briefcase.
Yes.
Okay. Umuntu okusendelile ngabe ukusendela i-briefcase noma ngabe ukusendela i-compensation.
Wahle. Phako lokho kuqhamuka ngapha nangapha yini.
Hayi sorry ngiyaqonda. Thabani ngalona hlupho umngane wami kakhulu lana. Ube sungidilile ngeje igoli. Kodwa hayi webancinza ezinye izinto zifuna ukuthi bhuti wami sibe lesibindi nje siziqonde ngoba mina you are the man of sacrifice, the one that I respect the most because I know what you have done for people yabo especially la KZN bhuti wami.
Ngene empedeni sengiyathemba manje ukuthi ikahle kahle vele lephepha likho ngabe umancinza ungikhulule kudala wathi Putin mfowethu alikhi iphepha kube isandla
hayi Thabana ayishiwo lo phambi kwabantu phela isithunzi asilahlo lo bathi wrong
president
Thabana uyahlupa
benza umbuzo oyi1 phaka upresident
ngiteteleni manje phaka
na president ngicela
ukubuza mina ngizwa ngawe mina mawuza ngidetele bafo mina I always respect because you are my guest that is why I try by all means ukuprotector baze bangizonda abanye bethi ngiyaphazamisa ngisuke ngiphazamisa ngamabomu ngoba angifundi igest yami ihlukumezeke mina because isuke ihlonipha mina kodwa ingafuthi ngibuye ngibuza ukuthi I will still comfortable kodwa iwari yami una Mancinza ukuthi wenza umsebenzi omuhle so uyabona abantu uma bebangaka and manje bayanyuka nokubehle they are about 2.8 njengamanje uyabona and ku social media abantu abangaka basobe baningi and abantu basuke beyifuna impendulo ezithini mhlawumbe before sikudedele bhuti wami mina ngiyafuna labantu ukuthi ba support iqiniso le Lanco because ngiyayazi ukuthi iyasebenza mhlawumbe before ngikudedele ngingabuza mhlawumbe uplan ukuthi ufakazi mabukhona kuwena onabo lo onabo ukubudedela nini
Angizwa
Ngizokudedela ngo-2026
President Ucela ubuza President ukuba kobu bufakazi unabo ingaba ikhona na ipicture yemali enikezwa kuPresident enikeza omnye wabantu behleli nabo emeetingini
Ibaphala ngicela silindeni mina u2026 ukuze kufike ufakazi yes asilinde u2026 yini ezobanzima ukulinda u2026
Sifuna ukumatcha sikhulekile man sibambekile sifuna